If you want your bathroom to smell absolutely incredible 24/7, without constantly buying expensive plastic air fresheners, you have to try this viral hack. All you need is a standard sanitary pad. Go ahead and unwrap it completely, making sure to keep the adhesive backing fully exposed. Because these are designed to maximize absorption, they work as the perfect hidden scent diffuser for tight spaces. Next, grab your favorite concentrated liquid cleaner or disinfectant. Something bright and fresh like a citrus or lemon Lysol works beautifully here. Use the bottle cap to carefully measure out a small amount and pour it directly down the center of the pad. Watch how quickly the core absorbs the liquid without leaving a puddle. This creates a long-lasting base layer of freshness that will slowly release into the air. To elevate the scent profile and make it last even longer, we're going to layer a second fragrance. I love using a lavender or pine multi-purpose cleaner for this step. Pour another capful right over the first layer. Combining these two scents gives you that deep, just cleaned aroma that lingers for days. Because the pad locks in the moisture, it won't drip or create a mess, allowing the fragrance to evaporate naturally and consistently. Once the liquids are fully absorbed into the core, fold the wrapper or backing material back slightly to expose the main adhesive strip. The genius of this trick is that the heavy-duty adhesive on the back of the pad is strong enough to stick to almost any surface, but it won't leave a sticky, damaging residue behind when it's time to swap it out. Now for the best part, hiding it. Peel off the remaining protective paper and head over to your toilet. We are going to stick this directly onto the back of the toilet tank, facing the wall. Just press it firmly against the porcelain. By placing it in the gap between the tank and the wall, it remains completely hidden from view. No one will ever see it, but the airflow in that small space will carry the scent throughout the entire bathroom every single time someone walks past. And there you have it, a completely hidden, budget-friendly DIY air freshener that keeps your bathroom smelling incredibly crisp and clean. This trick easily lasts for up to a week before the moisture fully evaporates. When the scent starts to fade, simply peel it off, toss it in the trash, and refresh it with a new one. Try this out today, and let me know in the comments what fragrance combination you're going to use. Before you scroll away, make sure to hit that save button so you can easily find this script next time you're doing your deep cleaning routine. If you love quick, genius household shortcuts that actually save you money, make sure to follow along for daily tips. Drop a comment below if you've ever tried this before, or let me know what room in your house needs a freshness hack next. Just a quick pro tip to keep in mind. Make sure the back of your toilet tank is completely dry and free of dust before you press the adhesive down so it sticks perfectly. And the best part? You can use this exact same trick inside the bottom of your trash cans, behind your laundry baskets, or even hidden inside plastic storage bins to keep musty odors completely at bay. It is a total game changer for every corner of your home.